We have 2 more colors left to wrap it up. Now, in Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have the next color called yaşıl. Yaşıl. Yaşıl can mean green, or eco-friendly, or verdant. Let's see some phrases. Now, bright green, eco-friendly policy, verdant fields. Parlaq yaşıl. Bright is parlaq, and you can call it say it with any other colors as well. Eco-friendly policy, yaşıl siyasət. That is the green policy in terms of being eco-friendly. That's what we say. Policy is siyasət. Yaşıl tarlalar, verdant fields, field tarlalar, fields. Now, let's use some of these in the sentences. First one. Festivalda geyindiyim parlaq yaşıl paltar günəşin altında elə parıldayırdı ki, hamı məndən onu haradan aldığımı soruşurdu. The bright green dress I wore at the festival shimmered under the sun so much that everyone asked where I bought it. Festivalda geyindiyim yaşıl, let's see it like that. Festivalda geyindiyim paltar, the dress I wore at the festival. Now let's add some adjectives. Festivalda geyindiyim yaşıl paltar, the green dress I wore at the festival. Festivalda geyindiyim parlaq yaşıl paltar, the bright green dress I wore at the festival. Now, günəşin altında, under the sun, elə parıldayırdı ki, shimmered so much, elə, so much, such, or parıldamak, to shimmer, parıldayırdı, shimmered in the past. Now, hamı, everyone, məndən means from me technically, but means məndən soruşurdu, asked me. Onu, it, haradan aldığımı, where I bought it. Alright, next one. Şəhər şurası, tullantıların azaldılması və velosiped yollarının genişləndirilməsi üçün yaşıl siyasət qəbul etdi. Buna görə də sakinlər daha təmiz havadan zövq almağa başladılar. Did you notice it's written as velosiped? I said velosiped. That's a long word, but let's continue with the translation. The city council adopted a green policy to reduce waste and expand bike lanes, so residents began to enjoy cleaner air. The city council, şəhər şurası, council şurası, council of the city technically. Şəhər is the city. Adopted, qəbul etdi. Qəbul etdi technically is accept, but you adopt some existing policy, hence adopt is the better word. Now, a green policy, yaşıl siyasət, to reduce waste. Waste is tullantı, waste plural tullantılar. Tullantıların azaldılması. Technically the translation is reducing of the waste. That's why you see tullantıların. That's the suffix for it. Velosiped yollarının genişləndirilməsi. Geniş, wide. Genişləndir, widen, i.e. expand. Genişləndirilməsi, the expansion of. Now, velosiped yolları, bike lane. Velosiped, bike, bicycle. Lane, yol. Especially for the bike. Now, buna görə də, so, or that is why, sakinlər, the residents, sakin, resident, sakinlər, residents. Daha təmiz havadan zövq almağa başladılar. Zövq almaq, to enjoy, başladılar, began. Daha təmiz hava. Təmiz hava, clean air. Daha təmiz hava, cleaner air. Havadan, that's the suffix means from. Means get the enjoyment, zövq almaq, because almaq technically means to buy, to get, from the cleaner air. Hence those suffixes. All right? Now, today's word was yaşıl. How else we can use it? Some fun ways maybe. My smoothie is so yaşıl, even grass feels insecure. All right. To supporting your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app that is available to be downloaded from App Store or Google Store. Feel free to download and start learning with Module 1 right away. It is completely free, along with all the vocabulary from all of the other modules, including future modules. I also have masterofjune.com, where I post blogs every 10 days since 2025 November on multiple topics, including grammar and language tips for you. Feel free to check that out too. Tomorrow we'll be learning another color, and then we'll be wrapping up the color season. All right, I'll see you there tomorrow. Cheers.